Okay guys, we're back here again. I had put that push start in there. That still isn't working. I'll show you guys what it's exactly doing, but another thing, I just finally got the hood open. The hood latches inside the car is broken as well, so I had to pretty much get that up. Here's the engine. Let me show you the mess I have in here. Alright, so there she is. Alright, so let me check everything out again. I gotta put the battery back on. So I dislocated just so nothing shorts out, which something might have yesterday. I think I caused a damn fire. Alright, that isn't too tight, but it'll be fine. Alright, let's get back in here. The mess down there, all those wires. Yeah, it looks like shit. But here's the hood latch that I was talking about. Yeah, I think I need a new one of those. Oh, fucky. Let me show you what it's doing. Maybe someone can help me. So here's the push start I installed. So right here, what we're going to do is turn this one. There we go. We got action there. And then what we're going to do is put accessory. Well, I've switched them. This should be the first one, but this is the first one. So we'll do this one. Okay. Hold on. My bad. So you'll see the lights up there light up, okay? Everything's good. You hear it? And then I will go ahead and hit this accessory too. And then the airbag one comes on. But now the well, let me move this back down a little bit. So I think on this one I put that in there. Okay, but see, there's no action here. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing at all. See, nothing. So it doesn't even sound like the starter's kicking on. The fuel pump, nothing. There is one sound, which is right here, but I don't know what this is. Listen if you guys can hear. You hear that? It's like an antenna or some shit. But, so I was reading a lot about it, and I think it's something to do with the EWS system. See, I had this problem with the key. Getting like stuck in there and stuff, so but I can turn the wheel, everything. I think it's in position 2. I just don't know. I think because this thing's sticking out a decent amount, so I think if I turn it the other way, the steering wheel will lock. I don't want to lock it again, but anyway, let me turn this off. I think it's something to do with the EWS immobilizer or something. I was thinking about just deleting and doing an EWS delete. I seen some on eBay for like 200 bucks, 150, 200 bucks. I don't know if I should do that or not. And then I won't even need the key, I don't think. I just push start it, but then that's stupid if someone wants to steal my car, but you know, if they want to steal it, I mean, I guess whatever. But I'm just having a hard time trying to do this. I'm not very good at this shit, but whatever. If you guys can help me out, that'd be awesome. But I know the EWS is right in there. I was gonna start taking that off. Getting to it is like 4 little screw or 4 little snap things right there, but it's in there, and then try to figure it out. I hate working on cars sometimes. All right, well, I'll let you guys know how that goes.